Today we are going to be exploring sound. You are going to need the baggie that has, it's like a hard plastic cup and there's only one of them, and there's also 2 rubber bands inside. Go ahead and pause the video and make sure you have these resources. When you're ready, you can hit play then. Okay, so we are going to be exploring with these resources today. Remember, the way we hear sound is that it needs to vibrate through the air. So if a dog or a cat or your TV makes noise, it vibrates through the air until it makes it to your ears, and that's how you hear it. So we are going to try to make sound with this plastic cup today. So I would like for you to take, it's a little bit of a thicker rubber band compared to the thinner one. Take the thicker one, and if you need help from a parent, go ask for help. Again, pause the video if you need to. And we're going to be taking this rubber band and stretching it over the plastic cup. Kind of want to put it in the middle, okay? And then I want you to try to explore, how could you make a sound with it? Go ahead and pause the video and try making a sound with the cup and the rubber band. Did you find this way to make sound? By pulling the rubber band at the top, I can make a sound. I can even see the rubber band vibrating. Look at how that rubber band vibrates. You can see how those vibrations, that's what makes the sound. You could also hit it on that side too. Okay, now we're going to take the big rubber band off and grab the smaller rubber band. This one, again, if you need help from a parent, go and ask them. But you are going to be taking the smaller rubber band and going around the outside of it, like that. Again, explore, how can you have it make sound? Pause the video. Did you find that when you pull it here, it makes like a loud, high noise? Okay, we are going to be drawing a picture and writing a sentence to answer the question, what did you do to get sound from the rubber bands? Well, think about it. What did we do to get sound? Pause the video and talk with your parent about it, or you can pause and think about it yourself. Well, to get sound, we need to pull the rubber band to make a sound. So go ahead and you'll write that on page 4 of your launch log. That's the page that is located in your packet. We are now going to draw a picture. For this picture, I need to draw the cup. And then I'm going to draw a rubber band on the outside. And then I'm going to draw my hand pulling the rubber band, my fingers. So here's my finger pulling the rubber band. And these are going to be my knuckles. Here's my thumb. Okay, so there's my hand and here's my finger pulling that rubber band. Okay, pause the video if you're not done drawing your picture or writing the sentence. We are now going to explore with something metal. Now you need to find something that's metal at your house. So maybe you have a metal spoon. Maybe you have a water bottle that's metal. Now it has to be metal, not plastic. We already explored with plastic. If you're not sure what's metal, ask a family member. Ask a family member to get you something that's metal. So pause the video until you have an item that is metal. Okay, so we're going to explore and try to answer the question that says, what did you do to get a sound from the metal water bottle? Now, we don't have to use a metal water bottle. We can use anything that's metal at home. So I'm actually going to use the spoon. So you go ahead, pause the video, explore. How can you make a sound with something metal? Did you try hitting it on something? Or even your hand? They both make a noise. This noise is a lot louder, though, than this noise. So we are going to write, we hit the metal, we're going to say metal item because I don't know what metal item you used at home. We hit the metal item on a hard surface to make a loud noise, because you know this makes a soft noise, but we want a loud noise. Okay? Then you're going to draw a picture. So I'm going to use a gray for my metal spoon. Again, you draw a picture of whatever you have. And then I'm going to draw a brown table because that's what I was hitting it on. That's kind of brown. There we go. So here's my brown table that I was hitting it on. Okay? So I was using the spoon and I was hitting it on a brown table to make noise. But you need to draw what your picture looks like. Here's my hand holding the spoon. Okay. Great job today exploring on how we can make sounds. This is important knowledge for you to remember. Because remember, we're going to figure out how we can help Milo, Susie, and Angelina communicate with the other group.